The Windows Update screen is one of the most trusted visuals on your computer. We click, we wait, we trust. But attackers are now exploiting that trust with ClickFix, a fake update that tricks users into running malware. When the fake update appears, it instructs you to press Windows+R, paste a command, and hit Enter. That seemingly harmless action launches a hidden script that downloads malware, often hidden inside an image and executed in memory, making it nearly invisible to antivirus software. ClickFix works because it exploits trust, not a software flaw. It mimics a familiar screen, pressures users with instructions and timers, and uses legitimate Windows tools to avoid detection. The consequences can be severe: stolen passwords, banking credentials, sensitive files, or full network compromise. VoiceIgnite recommends: 1. Never paste commands from a browser into Run or any system prompt. 2. Avoid full-screen pop-ups claiming to be updates. Always check official Windows Update channels. 3. Keep your systems and security software up to date, and educate your team about social engineering attacks. Please pause the video to take a screenshot of these recommendations. Awareness is your first line of defense. Stay alert, think before you paste, and remember, stay prepared, stay secure.